In today's tutorial, we are doing this. I'll show you how to create a pictorial mark logo. This logo is an example of a logo for a logistic business. The square is representing the package goods. V for bolus, L for logistic, timely delivery, right hand and left hand, which is appearing together like this. Let's get started. Create a square. Select this. Opacity 0, stroke, give it 20. Then increase your shape. Once you have arrived at this, put it on angle 45. Reduce the size and place it at the center. Now let's remove the upper part. Merge the two together. Now erase the white color. Increase the tolerance to 70. Now put this at the center. Then copy this shape. Put it at angle 180 and place it at the center. Now match the two together. Then we have to remove this extra shape by selecting a rectangle to cover that part. 45 degrees. Make sure it is very plain with that side. Copy it and cover the other part too. This one should be around this one's 35. Move it closer. Now you can match the three together. Can you see? Match it together. Now erase the white by choosing erase color. Increase the tolerance to 70. Now we have to create the space in between this part and this part. We use another rectangle. Copy that and use it for the other side. Merge it together with it. Then remove the color by selecting erase color. Now that you have arrived at this, try to separate the two by selecting rectangle to cover each part to separate them. Now merge it to, copy this one first. Then merge the ones you've covered. Erase the color. Now it remains the second one. Cover the part too. So we are covering the second part this time around. Merge it together with it. erase the color. Now let it be together. Arrange it. Give each part a color. Now before that, you should add floors so that it will not disturb the shape we added to it. Black floor. Reduce the size. Place it on the arm. Merge it together with it. Do that for the second one too. Black color. Place it on the second arm. Merge it together. Now add color to them. Let's use green. And red. Green and red. Now it remains the square in between for the package. This one is representing the package. Reduce the size and then rotate it to angle 45. Once it is at the center, create the shape for time using 2 triangles. The stroke and the color should be black. After that, reduce the size and copy it, rotate it and place it at this place. Let the two be at the center. Add it together. Then reduce it. Add color to both. This one will be green. And this one red.